Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 2002R. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the New Balance 2002R protection pack, and we got this in a UK size 7.5. It's a US 8 and it's a European 41.5, and we got this in a Mirage Grey colorway. And before we get unboxing, I did want the dark navy blue colorway that these 2002 protection pack came out with. Unfortunately, they didn't have a 7.5 in my size, so I was able to get the 7.5 in this Mirage Grey. It's just as good. And if you weren't able to get the Rain Cloud Grey from the first drop of protection pack, this is second best, I guess. Here they are. I mean, they're just as good. But yeah, when it comes to New Balance trainers, their grey colorways are simply the best in all the sneaker lands. And before we get into all that nitty-bitty greatness of this sneaker, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got these tinges of white that gives it the worn effect, and you've got a little shank plate there where it is the stability web that New Balance use. And moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit uses the energy foam. It's similar, it is essentially absorb technology, and I like these little bits of rubber here that kind of looks like the shocks, you know, those shocks platforms that you find in the Nike shocks, but it looks like it's spring loaded and ready to launch your feet off. Same purpose is used here. At the end of the day, New Balance sneakers are made for running. The upper it's just really dope. It's all the best cuts of suede. You can see it all around in this jagged cut. It looks like it's with the jagged edges, and I'm not talking about Let's Get Married, but yeah, I mean, this is such a dope little detail that you can find in the sneaker. The little jagged edges all around, you can see it there. Now I'm pretty sure that's what makes these sneakers the protection pack. It's these little details, the cuts. But I don't know the real reason why they're called the protection pack. If you know, let us know in the comment section below. We try our best to gain as much knowledge of the sneaker world as we do. Just below those cuts of suede, you got textiles. You can see the meshes here, right there. On the lateral side, you've got the New Balance logo with the N, the 2002R. On the medial side, you can see the same N there as well. It's knitted. It's a plastic as well. Tongue, you've got a sponge tongue, normal lacing system, just like the other bits of the suede. This leather cut comes in this jagged edge cut. You got the exposed foam if you look at the back, and if you were to look at the tongue again, just this little clear plastic with the New Balance logo there. Also, nicely padded ankle support. You got a foam insole for the underside of your foot. Again, these running sneakers were made for your comfort in mind. If you look at the heel, beautiful cuts of the suede again. You got this discolored yellow, that's from the heel. Moving along onto the nice suede parts. Again, you got the jagged edge, and you've got the New Balance logo in this clear plastic. And to round off the leather, you've got the jagged edge cut leather on the heel also. So unlike the New Balance made in England or the New Balance made in the USA lines, these sneakers were made in Vietnam. So this is reflective on the price point, whereas, you know, you're made in England, you're made in the USA lines. Those sneakers are priced around 180 to 220 pounds. These come at a fairly reasonable price at Well, the normal 2002 Rs, the proper general release ones, they come at 90 to 110 pounds, I believe. Whereas the protection pack, I was able to purchase these at 130 pounds. So in regards to the price, it's a great price to get such a beautiful pair of sneakers. Unfortunately, these do sell out quickly because for some reason the protection pack is really popular. I think that has something to do with, well, personally I believe that these resemble Salehi Bembury's New Balance 2002 Rs, those water beater guides. Again, those are probably one of my grails, especially that turquoise blue colorway. So if you know anyone with that turquoise blue, shout at me, UK size 7.5. Let me know, I'm happy to buy those off you. And the dark navy, but I'm happy that I was able to get the Mirage Grey. This is probably one of the sneakers of the year in my opinion. Very early to drop such a title on these beautiful sneakers, but if I'm looking for my new everyday, this is probably it. So I can't wait to try these on. Roll that footage of me trying these New Balance 2002 Rs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you're true to size New Balance fit. I am a UK 7.5. When it comes to New Balances, my toes are where they need to be, and the fit is superb. Comfort, unmatched. Guys, they look so dope on. What else can I say? If you're able to get a pair of the protection pack in Mirage Grey or dark navy, get them. And if you're able to get the first drops of the protection pack, especially that Rain Cloud Grey, you can't see me, but I just did the chef's kiss. Mwah. Beautiful. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.